Hi, the Scalability Observability team wanted to take a little bit of time to walk you through our new and improved metric system called Mimir. Mimir provides a global viewpoint into metrics data, similar to how our current system, Thanos, works, but includes several significant scaling improvements, such as push-based metrics, deduplication on write, and multi-tenancy by default. We will be failing over metrics to use the new system starting on May 13th and going into the week after that, completing probably midweek. This should be a seamless transition, but there's a few small differences between the two environments that we wanted to walk you through. The main difference is how we access Mimir. Many people are using thanos.gitlab.net to access metrics, but Mimir is accessed through the same Grafana dashboards that we use for everything else. To access specific metrics, go to dashboard.gitlab.net and then click Explore. This will take you into a system where you can select data sources and do queries exactly the same way as you do in Thanos. Some of the very cool features of this is that we can do a number of different things, including expanding recording rules, so we can get more details on what each of these recording rules are running. So here's an example. And we have, there we go. We can also look at Query Inspector, which gives us details on how long it took to run, how many queries it ran, how much it returned. Query Inspector will also give us more details on the individual queries. We can get details on the exact JSON that it's returning and the data in question as well. One of the other very nice features is that you can set up Explain as well, which will walk you through some of the PromQL and explain what each individual part of that is running. Another point of the new UI that is very useful is that you can set up a split screen so that you can compare two different data sources. In this case, we're comparing our old data source, Global, to our new data source, Mimir, for staging. For ease of migration, we have actually created a composite data source called Mimir GitLab All Environments, which is actually Mimir GitLab gprod, Mimir GitLab gstaging, Mimir GitLab ops, and Mimir GitLab pre. Because of its multi-tenant nature, some self-contained data sources have their own tenants. And we'll expand the use of tenants in the future to make sure that we have reasonable data consistency and separation. If you have additional questions or feedback, please leave them in the feedback issue that I have attached to this, or reach out in the G Scalability Observability channel in Slack. Thank you.